In the box, you'll find your speakers, a power cable, a speaker link cable, a Bluetooth LE remote, and some documentation. Because these are active speakers, there's no need for a separate amplifier. Everything you need is right here. Start by placing the speakers where you want to listen. On the rear of the main speaker, use the selector switch to assign left and right. This gives you flexibility with placement while keeping your stereo image exactly as it should be. You'll also find two tuning switches. If they're on a desk, turn desktop on, then choose near wall or free space depending on where they're positioned. These settings help keep the sound balanced in your space. Next, connect the link cable between the two speakers, then plug in the power and switch them on. To control everything, use the Bluetooth LE remote. It gives you access to volume, playback, source selection and EQ modes including normal, movie and voice. Before pairing, carry out a quick factory reset on the remote. It only takes a moment and ensures a reliable connection. There's a QR code in the box with simple step-by-step instructions. Once paired, you can switch between Bluetooth, USB, optical and aux using the dedicated source buttons on the remote, or cycle through inputs using the button on the back of the speaker. With the analog RCA input, you can connect a range of sources such as a CD player, external streamer or turntable. If you're connecting a turntable, make sure it has a built-in phono stage or use an external one. You could also connect a music streamer like our MXN10 to add high-resolution streaming and expand your system further. For a desktop setup, connect a laptop using USB audio. On a MacBook, that's USB-C directly into the USB audio input. On Windows, simply select LRS as your audio output device. To connect the TV, use the optical input. Run a Toslink cable from your TV into the speaker and select optical. If you'd like a more low-end presence, there's a dedicated sub-out on the back for an active subwoofer. For quick wireless listening, select Bluetooth and pair your phone or tablet. LRS supports aptX HD for high-quality Bluetooth audio streaming. Once everything's connected, select your source and press play. That's it, you're ready to start listening. For more tips on getting the most out of your system, visit our YouTube channel or head to cambridgeaudio.com to explore LRS.